Hey guys, this is Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina, and I've got a couple of perennials here that I want to share with you. And what's exciting about these perennials is that they're perennials and that they're going to come back year after year. But the second part, besides again that they're pollinators, is that they make great cut flowers. So let me share with you some wonderful perennials that'll come back year after year, and you can put this in your cut flower garden. One of my favorite, and simply because it is orange, is the Gerber Daisy. And the Gerber Daisy stands up on a long, tall stem here and does well for blooming year after year. I have great success with these, and they tend to multiply, and so I end up with tons of Gerber Daisies in my garden. This is the Perennial series right here, so it's a little more resistant to powdery mildew, which is what we see on the Gerber Daisies from time to time. A great one, and it's even better because it's orange, my favorite color. The other is Veronica or Speedwell. These spikes on this particular flower make for great cut flower, and this one is beautiful. It comes in a darker purple as well as it grows in a white, and then this light pink or lavender color. Perfect for your cut garden. And then there's two different colors here, I should say, of the Gaillardia or blanket flower. These are great for your little vases for cut flower. And another one that has so many wonderful attributes that we know about, which is the coneflower. Wonderful for pollinators, great for cut garden, and leave some in the fall for the birds to come along and have the seeds. Again, wonderful perennial that comes back every year with a strong stem for your cut garden. And then there's Coreopsis. Coreopsis gets a little wild on us. Beautiful, strong yellow color. There's multiple colors of Coreopsis, but a great one for cut flower. One of my favorite spreaders or lower ground covers is Yarra. Again, Yarra comes in multiple colors. We have it in yellow and red and white. This is actually a peachy color that's been very popular by proven winners. This one is Firefly Peach Sky. Just a great combination of colors there that you could put in. And here we have the tall phlox. Wonderful paniculata type blooms there that are going to stand up. Beautiful color. And last that I have here today is the dahlia. Wonderful perennial in our area, comes back. It just makes for a pretty combination and for a pretty flower in your vases there. So check out these perennials and add them to your cut flower garden.